Hi everyone, Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland. You see before you a 12 by 16 inch or 30 by 40 centimetre canvas and some barking dogs, and I have put black paint on that. I am using cadmium yellow, scarlet lake red and ultramarine blue by Creative Artist Collection, and it's an acrylic paint. I don't know if you've seen those, but I did, and they were really cheap, and so I bought them to see what they were like, and I'm very impressed. So if you see them out and about, feel free to purchase some for yourself. I'm sure you won't be disappointed. Where did I get them? I got them in a store here called Aldi. A-L-D-I. I don't know if you know it, but I do. Many people do, I'm sure. So what am I going to do? I'm going to do a swipe. I have these colours made. I've used them before on a couple of other paintings, and I just decided to do a swipe. I'm going to swipe with white, and I really like this blue. You have to admit how beautiful this black and blue look good together. And the red, of course, is. So here we go. And I'm going to put the red on the top. Now there's OGX in the white and, in the yellow and the red. And here comes the yellow. I might take the yellow this way, just to be that bit different. I don't know that I need any more black. There's quite a good layer of black there. Right, and I think maybe some red across the top, which is where I'm going to put the white anyway, so we'll see how we go. So here we go with the white. I'm just thinking, should I do a centre swipe? No, let's do it from the top like I thought. Right. And I have a wet damp cloth here. Now the recipes for the paints and pouring medium you'll find below the video under show more. Get in, come on, tighten up, that's it, that's nice. Come on, you can do it. Okay. How pretty. Whoa. And cells, cells, cells. Take it around here. Some of that paint, lovely paint, where it might not have taken too much. I might tilt it just because that's a bit not like this, so just let it go. Come on, down. Over the edge, please, quickly. Don't stretch my cells. They are. Okay, so that can do. Oh, they look great, don't they? All right. So, next step. Okay, stop gawking at it. And where's some red for this corner? Maybe, what have we got here? Some more red over here for that corner. Okay, I'm going to just get the torch and give those cells a helping hand. Oh, I'm impressed. I am impressed. Oh my goodness, cells, cells, cells. Rita, my friend, I know you'll be watching this. If you thought that last one had cells in it, check these out. Oh man. Okay. Right. Oh, I've got to bring you down to take a closer look. Unbelievable. So if you haven't already subscribed, please do. Be like Rita, be smart. Subscribe. And well, here we go. That's what I was looking at. So I'll bring it down to have a closer look. Yeah. Are you telling me? That's my little dog, Lacey. You say hello, world? No, she said, I'm not. All right. It's a little bit past their dinner time, and I think their little bellies think their throat has been cut. By the size of her, though, she's never going to starve. So look at the colours. How beautiful. Ah, and these cells are growing as we look. Unbelievable. This is a beauty. Very, very happy. So, there we go. Oops, barking dogs. If you haven't already subscribed, as I said, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put up videos into YouTube. I think I said the pouring medium and paint recipes are down under the video below. Show more. So, thank you very much for watching, and I do hope you've enjoyed this one. Totally am overwhelmed by it. I think it's brilliant. And I'll catch you in the next one. Please give it the thumbs up. Bye for now.